I got dressed for the gym. I'm getting ready to go to the gym in Starbucks. Don't mind my hair, but I know I look probably a little bloated, but we're here. That's all that matters. So we're getting ready to go to the gym, and we're getting ready to go to, well, we're going to Starbucks and we're going to the gym. Yes, I drink Starbucks at any time of the day. I wish they stay open 24/7, because if I could go at 2 a.m. and get Starbucks, I would be there. But unfortunately, they close at 9, so it's like almost 7, probably 7:15 p.m. or it's 7:30. So we get ready to go. And this outfit that I got, this little workout set, it is from, don't get me the line, it's not Lululemon, because I'm a Lululemon stan. It is from, it's a Hollister brand, and I can't think of it right now, but I will put it down in the video description box. But yeah, so it's real comfy, and I got this on sale. Like, it was like 70% off, and I was so surprised because baby blue is like one of my favorite colors to wear. Like, I look good in blue. Anything blue, especially baby blue, it's gonna do it for me every time. But yeah, we're getting ready to go to the gym. Super excited. Like I said, I gotta get back used to the camera because I haven't been in the camera in so long. Like, it's just like, gotta focus it, refocus it, unfocus it. This is so like, I haven't done it forever. But do y'all see like the little bit of weight gain? We gotta get that together. Like, I don't know. Is my back big? I wouldn't care if it was. It's my bag. It's not yours. So yeah. As of right now, this is gonna do. This is what we're doing. So I just came back from the gym, as y'all know. And I gotta do my skincare routine before I do anything. So wash my hands, not touch front, you know, not to touch your hands with a dirty, not to touch your face with a dirty hand. So wash my hands. Feels so icky. Like, I gotta get this off me. So this is gonna be like really rushed. It's not full. It's not a full skincare routine, but I got to. I'm trying to let that sit for like at least 40 seconds. Because what is it really supposed to do if it's not sitting for that long? And ever since, like, I used to have really bad breakouts. Like, they were terrible, like really bad. So I was, no matter what I did, I would switch my rag, my face toss, whatever, and they were just like terrible. And I'm like, what am I doing? Like, I thought they were hormonal. I mean, and to some extent they were, but they really were. Our face was just sensitive to them rags, like the face rags, like, you know, the ones you get from Walmart and stuff. Like, they were just, no matter how much I switched them, washed them, used new them, I don't know, it just harbored so much bacteria to my face, will continue to break out. So I stopped using those and started using these bamboo towels, and I've been hooked ever since, because I really don't have breakouts. That's not my issue. My issue is the dark marks from when I had the breakouts years ago, like possibly sun damage. I mean, I know I should be wearing sunscreen, but I don't as much. And I bought all the, like, I have so much of it. Like, don't plug me. I love super glue. So, but I I'm not consistent. I don't like the feeling on my face. But I know I gotta do better. I gotta do better. I have to do better. Do y'all wipe up y'all nose a little bit when y'all washing y'all face? I hate when you have on a lace and the glue or the wig be sliding and the glue be on the side. And I'm starting to feel like, you know, I just need to get out of my lace girl era. I love me a bust style. I love me a lace. I'm just tired of the maintenance. Like, don't get me wrong, I could do it, but it's just like, oh no, I'm getting tired of the maintenance. I want a softer look. It's becoming just, like, even with my earrings, like the gunk and the glue be always on. I love my piercings, and like I'm constantly having to try to wipe the product off of them, and it just looks crazy after a while. Like, I don't even know how to explain it, y'all, but it's a lot going on. It's a lot of maintenance. Oh, it's annoying to me. So I'm gonna, like I said, I like the double cleanse, so I'm gonna go back in with another facial wash, which I'm almost out. I'm tired of buying this stuff. Like, I need a lifetime supply or something. But anywho, this is like my second favorite cleanser. I really like the Le Rocher, but I was using that for like a year, and I think my skin just like really got used to it, so I switched it up. And every now and then you gotta switch it up so that your skin, like, you know, everything changes. Like the seasons, like we got 4 seasons, our skin needs some things change. And even though it was working great, I just don't want my skin to get so used to it that it didn't. Like, my face ain't that dirty, but the cleaner the better. Like, being proactive. I absolutely love skincare. I love clean, clear skin. I want glass skin so bad. Like, y'all don't understand. But not bad enough to do my routine every night. Like, I really try, but like I said, my routines are crap right now. My scheduling routine, so as you can see, I ain't been on YouTube in forever. And my bathroom is a mess. I'm still thinking about, I haven't decided on a storage solution for all my products. And I got some, I got forever. Yeah, I'm one of those people. Like, I'm not gonna rush myself to buy something and then not like it, like years later, like a couple of months down the line. Been there, done that. I did that all my 20s. Like, I did so much impulse shopping and just buying stuff, and then like, oh, this is not buying stuff, and then realizing a couple months, this is not what I really wanted. I want something else now, and like just not having, just throwing it out, being wasteful, not having the energy nor the time or effort to like try to resell it. I don't have time for that. Like, it's hard to keep up with shit like that. So, you know, doing that, and then now, sometimes, you know, so I did it sometimes, but it just took too much. Like Poshmark and all that stuff, I was just like, I'm too antsy. I'm ready to get it done, not my face. I don't want to look at it no more. So that was that. And yeah, so now instead of doing all that, because that's wasteful, and when I don't like something, I want it immediately out my space. Immediately. I don't want to wait. I don't want to sit around and like try to, no, I immediately want it out my space. I immediately want it out my view, my space, whatever. I don't want it around me. Like men, friends, whatever. So, I God damn, my face ain't even dirty, but you gotta get all this soap out there. So, that's what I'm saying. Yeah. So now I'm just trying to figure out what type of long-term storage solution I'm gonna like when it comes to my products. That's easy access, easy to clean and maintain, and also looks aesthetically pleasing. All right, so that's that. Then I spray my face with witch hazel or whatever toner I have. I really like this CeraVe toner, but I put it in this bottle because it's just easier, and I've been using it like this to clean this bottle out and added this toner to it, and I really like it. And it's almost empty, so let's keep refilling. It's just easier to spray it than to do it like that. Whatever floats your boat, as long as you're using it. So now let that dry. Maybe I should get some. This counter is like overwhelmed, very much overwhelmed. And I'm gonna brush my teeth right before I got up and went to the gym, because I was just lollygagging my ass off. And I also like these facial wipes. When I be done using them, I try to take them and wipe the counter off or whatever like that with them, so that, you know, kind of getting like a double cleanse out of them. Oh, I can't wait to get out of these clothes. I'm trying to show y'all a little bit of my skincare routine, and it's a task. All right. I usually have like a little facial fan right here, like to kind of let that do its thing. So then, if I don't put on a face mask, like I'm a face mask junkie. I love face masks. Like they get the job done for me. If I don't put on a face mask, then I will go in with good molecules. Baby, they are cost effective. And I honestly see a big difference in my skin with all of their products. Like I go in, this is not the Niaminoside serum. And I want to say it's like my favorite. So I really pat my products in. I used to rub them in, and I never seen like any, what do you call it? It never gave me results. So now, like my esthetician told me to pat them in. And when I started patting my products in, like creating a barrier, it just changed the skincare game for me. But like I said, I still suffer with dark marks so bad because I have a picking problem. I can't stop picking my face. So I just kind of do that. I love it. I love Niaminoside. I don't know what's in that stuff. I don't know what it's compromised of, but baby, that's my go-to. If I don't do nothing else, baby, I'm gonna throw some Niaminoside on my face. And this is Super Serum Peptide. Baby, I don't know what this does either. I used to know, but I can't tell you. So yeah, go look it up at. And then, ooh, hyaluronic acid. This stuff is holy grail too, because it's like it draws like in the moisture, I believe, if I'm saying it correctly. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. I really don't care. Y'all know it's good. Where is it? It's I ain't even got none left, baby. I gotta go re-up. That's just crazy. All right, so I do the same thing. I pat this in. Moisture. Ooh, like I feel like I got bags, but they don't look like bags. They just look, you can tell when I'm sleepy. Like you can see the lines. I don't like that. Whatever, I guess it's a part of aging. So I'm gonna embrace it. But if it gets too bad, baby, we're gonna have to do something. Speaking of, so pat. And then there's one more that I use. Oh well, you know what I got? Yeah, let me see. I just, you know what? I like to look like a glazed donut. I ain't even lie to y'all. Y'all might not even want to watch me because baby, I'm gonna keep adding. Whole face gonna be lit. Pillowcase gonna be wet. Wet with products. Cause I don't know. And I know everybody put y'all on this, but baby, I've been using this for like since it first came out, because I'm one of those product junkies. I go to the store and specifically buy products because I just like new products. I like shopping, as everybody know. Baby, I don't even play. I got a travel one just in case that I don't even play. I'm never out of this stuff. I'm never out of it, but it is Advanced Snail Mucin Power Essence. I don't know what's in this stuff. What I do is the snail trail. You know how men be like, oh, do you have a snail trail? I don't know, men are weird. The snail trail, like, yeah, that's what's in here. And baby, when I tell you this stuff right here, they did the thing. I'm so scared because now everybody's like on. I don't want the price to creep, and I don't want to ever be without this stuff. Like, I don't want to be without this stuff, and I don't want them to change the formula. You know how that go when everybody be on something and too many people. Now I ain't gonna add no more stuff because I already got too much stuff on my face, but this is like their sister stuff. It's called the Advanced Snail 92 All-in-One Cream by the same brand. This stuff is good too. I'm never without that. And I keep like two, baby. I don't play them type of games. I don't play those type of games, especially when it comes to my skin, my underwear, my bras, my skincare, my perfume, lotion. I'm a girly girl. I'm really girly. I have to have all that stuff. I don't care if I'm in a store and I got an extra couple of dollars. I will pick up another bottle or whatever just to have it. Like, you can't go wrong. So that's that. Skin clean, glistening. So I think it's the end of my vlog. I'm gonna take a shower and go put me a glass of wine and read on my Kindle. But it's so nice being back on YouTube. I missed y'all. I hope y'all missed me. I plan to stay.